Today I'm going to review this HP color Laserjet. It's the model is Pro MFP M177fw. So I was looking for a really good review on the internet, but I couldn't find. So I actually had to figure everything out myself. So I was trying to kind of share a little bit of my thoughts, what I think, and what you should be looking for when you buy a Laserjet printer. The main reason I bought this printer was actually I had a inkjet printer before, and I'm a engineering student, so I needed a lot of I need to print a lot of papers. So an inkjet actually doesn't really work very well for if you're a student, like especially if you're in universities, because you have to do a lot of lab reports and a lot of other stuff, resume printing and all this other stuff. So inkjet actually not the thing that you're looking for if you're going to university, or if so Laserjet printer are actually good because they're usually the cartridges run for 1,000 pages or 1,000 pages to 1,500 or even more than that. So 1,000 pages is actually pretty good for lasts for actually a year or so, sometimes even more if you're not printing that much. But I think it'll last for at least 2 semesters for me. But we'll see, we'll figure it out. I just bought it. I had another one. Let me show you which one I had. Previously I had this printer. This is also HP Laserjet. It's color printer, and this one is actually pretty good, but the only reason I don't like this one because it doesn't have any copier or scanning and anything like that. But if you're a student, you will definitely need one of these, because this one has printer, copier, and scanning machine. So this is what you're looking at. And then one thing, okay, let's start with the copier, how the copier works. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the different parts and kind of how to set it up. First of all, you will see there's a like paper feeder over here. So you just, let's say it supports up to 35 pages at a time. So all you do is just put 35 pages that you want to copy over here, and then it'll automatically fit itself and then copy, and you'll get your copies right through this door right here, this space or whatever you might call it. And then so the papers, actually you put it like the writing part, whatever you want to copy, like upside up or top side up, and then it'll feed itself, and then you'll get your paper back right here. And after that you have a scanning, I don't know how to say this, but scanning whatever this, and this is pretty big for like this is a A4 paper, and let me show you a reference. So that's what you might get. I don't know if you need more than that, but that really works for me, at least for now. And then after that you open this, and then this is where your all the copy, or if you print your paper, come out of that that slot right there. And one thing I want to show you guys, so this is how you open this thing, and that's your cartridge right there. The little thing is the cartridge. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little better. So that's that's your Laserjet cartridge. On this one, you can only see one cartridge at a time. So let's say you ran out of yellow cartridge. So the way you change your cartridge is, because right now you're looking at the black one. So if you want to change your yellow cartridge, what you would do is close this, and then on your LCD panel, it's not initializing, but I'll show you when it comes up. So the way you change your cartridges, you go to this little icon right here, the little pedal like thing, and that's actually a cartridge. So you click on it and you'll see all these different kinds of cartridges. So let's say you wanted to change your yellow cartridge, so click on that. So what this printer does is it rotates its cartridge drum, or it's kind of like a drum, so they're kind of like fit together in like a plus shape kind of thing, so it kind of rotates it. So right now, if I open this thing, the hood, you will see that the yellow one is now exposed. Now you can easily take that off just by pressing this thing. So just pull it, slightly pull it, and then take it out. It's really easy, but you can like change all the 4 cartridges at the same time. But still, I kind of like this one because I can deal with that. But the cartridges last for like can print 1,000 pages. So I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but that's really good for me. And the other thing I want to show you guys is where you put your papers. Okay, so this is where you put your papers. You can actually adjust the size of your paper. Right now it's set up at A4 for A4 papers, which we actually use all the time. Is the regular paper size. You can also change the height or the length of your paper, and then put this one back. And this printer actually supports duplex printing, but it's like manual. What it will do is, like, let's say you printed something, it'll give you so you'll get your paper right here. So what you have to do is you take this paper and then put it upside down and put it back in, and then on your screen it'll ask you if you're ready or not. So once you've done that, you click on OK, and then it'll take or fit the paper in, and then print on the both side of your paper. So it's not like automated, but it's still works if you wanted to save some papers or something like that. If you're looking at like automated duplex printing, they're really expensive. So for now, this one really works for me. I mean, I'm doing all my works, printing all my lab reports and lecture notes, everything on this one, and it's working for me. So this thing is actually a really good deal. And the other thing is, I want to show you, this one actually doesn't have it onboard scanning icon on it, so you can just put your paper in and then click on the scan button or icon, and then it'll scan it, but it doesn't have that option. What you have to do is, there's a software that they will provide you. You just click on it, and then let me actually show you what I mean. So okay. Okay, so on your desktop you would see this HP, this icon right here, HP. You click on it, and then a dialog box will show up like this one, and then you click whichever format you would like, JPG, PDF, like email as PDF. You can just directly email with 2 people, or you can just save as PDF, and then you click on scan and it'll automatically scan it. But then it doesn't have any onboard scan button on it, but it does have a copy button and then fax and a little add button, which I don't think anybody will ever use it. It's not really something that you might be looking forward to, but it has the Wi-Fi thing. So once you've installed and set your Wi-Fi connectivity up, all your computers which is hooked up to the same network will have access to your printer, but they won't be able to scan it until you use your CD or the software that they provide and install the scan software on all the other computers that you might have. So, and this one actually synchronized or connected with my laptop, my school laptop, which is really cool. I can print off anything if I wanted from the printer, because I actually use OneDrive from Microsoft, so that's really handy. And also, one other thing I wanted to mention is this printer actually has, if you wanted to like connect it to your internet network, like directly through a Ethernet cable, you can do that because it has like the Ethernet port on the back side of the printer, and also you can use direct USB connection to your printer if you want like really speed printing or something. I don't know if it's really fast. I'm not using any USB or anything. It picks it up real fast. I mean, it's really, let me actually show you a demo how fast it is. I'll go and print something. 3 pages being printed. So how fast. This is real time. So it took in the paper, already came in. It's really, really fast for Laserjet printing. So as you can see, these are really, really crispy. If you wanted to see how good, really clean, sharp. I don't know if you can see it. It's out of focus. I'm sorry about that. I mean, it's really, really great printing. Only if I could show you the real paper. So yeah, as you could see, it's really fast. Let me show you how the copier works. So you put your papers or whatever you wanted to copy right there, and then adjust the size of your paper. If it's an envelope, you would reduce the size, and then for this A4, it's you kind of resize it to the shape. And then after that, once you're ready, go ahead and click on the copy button, and that, oh actually, and then if it'll ask you if you want to do black and white or color, and there's some you can like select, like I think it's the contrast, like how, so click on black since there's no color on those 2 pieces of paper or 3 pieces of papers, and it's calibrating. I don't know. It doesn't really do that all the time. I think for some reason it's doing it right now. Okay, so it's taking in. It's fully automated. It takes in the second one. So yeah, the first page came out. And there you go. So guys, that's all I had to kind of share with you guys. If you guys wanted to know more about this printer, Laserjet, let me know on the comment section below, or you could just email me. I'll try to reply to it as soon as possible. And also I'll be using this printer from now on. So I'll let you guys know if I'm having any problem or issues. I'll let you guys know, like what's the problem or how to solve it and everything like that. But other than that,